the stove. She work all day but can't pay what she owe. There's a youth on the street with a sign in his hand. No justice, no peace, they don't understand. Children in school but the books are torn. Dreams buried deep where the hope ain't born. College out of reach, the fees too high, and the ones in power just sit and lie. This is the cry of the people. Oh yeah, can you feel the pain we feel? We're tired of the struggle, tired of the fight. Just wanna live, just want what's right. This is the cry of the people. So real, a song for the silent and unheard voice. We're more than a vote, more than a choice. We're hearts that bleed in the streets tonight. Racism still lingers, it's plain to see. A man judged and killed because of his identity. They say just comply, but we've heard that line. While they sign bills that protect their kind, rent go up while wages freeze, and greed infect the air like a slow disease. A child born today, already in debt. How much longer till the sun don't set? We're all made of the same red blood. We all cry the same when we've had enough. So why is it so hard just to treat each other right? Why we got bombs but no bread inside? This is the cry of the people. Oh yes, from the streets to the hills to the broken home. They building walls while we build our song. We carry love even when it's gone. This is the cry of the people. Stand strong for the poor, the hurt, the misused youth. We sing this song as a voice for truth. We are the many, we are the proof. To the single father doing his best, to the girl with dreams and no rest, to the elder still standing in line. You're not alone, your strength is mine. To the soldier with a heart full of fear, to the teacher who wipes away tears, to the one who feels like giving in. Let this song remind you, you will win. Go JAH, hear our cry. Oh, this world is broken, but we still try.